Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Honda Fit. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.